The include statement is a fundamental concept in programming that allows you to import external files or modules into your code. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using include statements effectively. First, let's define what an include statement is. It is a directive that tells the compiler or interpreter to insert the contents of another file into the current file. This allows you to reuse code, reduce duplication, and improve modularity. To use an include statement, you need to specify the path to the file you want to include. The path can be absolute or relative, depending on your project structure. For example, if you have a file called header.php in the same directory as your current file, you can include it using the statement include header.php. One of the key benefits of using include statements is code reuse. By including a file that contains common functions or variables, you can avoid duplicating code in multiple files. This makes your code more maintainable, efficient, and scalable. Another important concept is the difference between include and require statements. While both statements import external files, the require statement will throw a fatal error if the file is not found, whereas the include statement will only throw a warning. Best practices dictate that you should use include statements sparingly and only when necessary. This is because including too many files can slow down your application and make it harder to debug. You should also be careful when including files from external sources, as they may contain malicious code. To illustrate the use of include statements, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you have a website with multiple pages, and each page has a common header and footer. You can create separate files for the header and footer, and include them in each page using the include statement. This way, if you need to make changes to the header or footer, you only need to update one file. In conclusion, the include statement is a powerful tool that allows you to import external files and modules into your code. By understanding how to use include statements effectively, you can write more efficient, modular, and maintainable code. Remember to use include statements judiciously, and always follow best practices to ensure the security and performance of your application.